If you're using Windows 7 and you need to download Google Chrome in 32-bit, this video will walk you through it step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether your computer is older, has limited memory, or just needs the correct version for compatibility, I'm going to show you how to find the right download and get Chrome installed without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser that is already installed on your computer. This could be Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser you already have access to on Windows 7. Once the browser is open, click into the search bar at the top and type Chrome 32-bit download. Then press enter to begin the search. Now you'll see a list of results. At this point, it's very important to choose a trusted download page. In this example, you can open the Phileon website and look specifically for the Windows 32-bit version. Always be careful here and avoid suspicious websites, unknown download buttons, or pages that look unsafe. If a site seems untrustworthy, do not continue with it. Once you're on the correct download page, look for the download button for the 32-bit Chrome installer. Click that button to start the download. Depending on your browser, you may be asked where you want to save the file. If that happens, choose a location that is easy to find later, such as your downloads folder or even your desktop. After the file finishes downloading, you can open it from the folder where you saved it. From there, you would normally run the installer and follow the setup prompts to complete the installation. If Chrome opens successfully, that means the download worked and you're ready to browse. The main thing to remember is to always make sure you're downloading the correct 32-bit version for Windows 7, especially on older systems. That helps avoid installation issues and makes the process much smoother. So to quickly recap, open a browser, search for Chrome 32-bit download, use a trusted site like Phileon, select the Windows 32-bit version, and download the installer to your computer. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.